Let's do it. Hello guys, welcome to one more unboxing video. I bought this monitor from Amazon and it is my second monitor. First monitor which I bought few months back. I given it to my brother. So the box which get delivered look like this. As mentioned here, it is like 144 Hz monitor and resolution is 1920 into 1080. It has 1 ms G2G response time and it support FreeSync officially. For G-Sync support, we'll do a detailed video on that. Stay tuned for that. So outside, I am not able to see any sorts of damage. I got earlier one. That monitor they have one extra outer cover. This time it's directly monitor I got, so not a big deal though. Okay, then let's unbox it. So let me cut through it. We'll see what inside the box. So things we got inside the box are like mm, okay. So the big one is the stand. Before that, this is a power cable, and let's keep it aside. This is HDMI cable, and what more? So I thought it's a display port cable, but no. This is HDMI cable. This is same power cable. One screw, and this, let's see. Okay, so this is the main base stand, and here supportive stand. So there are two supporting stand with the base stand. I will show you in a bit. So this is the CD which none of use, nobody's using it. Okay, so let's see the main monitor. Okay, so let me carefully remove the outer cover. Okay, so let's check the monitor if it's damaged anywhere or not. Okay, yeah, so I'm not seeing any part has been damaged. Okay, so these are the things which got inside. So let's do one by one. So two stand, supportive stand and one base stand. Okay, so this is what look like after removing the wrapper. So this is the main stand. This is reddish color, dark reddish color. I like it, though it's a full plastic. The base is bit of aluminum, so you can say mix of plastic aluminum. So this is power cables. This is HDM. This is one screw. This is HDMI cable. Okay, so let's assemble it. Yeah, so this is what its back look like. So these are few of the ports. Is like top one is the DP port. Below it one HDMI port. So there are two basically HDMI port, one audio port, and one power port. The black red circle is kind of look cool. I guess the vent, it's having vents for to keep the monitor cool and to release heat or hot air through that. Okay, so let's assemble it. So first we need to put one screw on the main stand which fix actual display with stand. So only one screw is enough, nothing much required, but it's quite sturdy. Okay, so after pushing, oh, sorry, there are two screw actually. So it's quite sturdy. You won't get feel like it will fall down or something. Okay, so after putting the screw, let's put the small cap over it, so which actually kind of hide the screw. There's nothing much. Just we need to slide it down. It will by default place over the screw. Okay, so now we have to put the base stand. So before putting the base stand, let me show you the joystick kind of things which help us to navigate through settings of the monitor. It's like color, contrast, and all that. So we can move it up, down, forward, backward. We set our monitor color, contracts, everything. Okay, so let's put the final screw, and assemble is not that difficult. It's pretty easy. So final base is just we need to tight one screw. We'll also do a video on G-Sync support, the color accuracy, and other details, like how much refresh rate it can actually produce over DP cable, or like display cable or HDMI cable. So stay tuned for that video. Soon I gonna do that video. Even I will try to play some you games over that and try to show you how it's actually perform all kind of games and how good the color it produce. Okay, stay tuned for that. So it's kind of look good because I already have this monitor, so I again bought one more. Yeah, it's kind of look good, you know. So we'll do that details video soon. Stay tuned for that. Till then, bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,